right, this is a review of the Prism 1.85 Speedster light. It's pretty slim, and as it would suggest, it's 1.85 inches wide. I didn't see any reviews for this online, so I wanted to shoot a quick review of it. Got the box today from Prism Supply, some stickers, and a light. The mounting hardware is not supplied, but simple enough. One thing I did find odd was the hex hole there is 5.5 millimeter, which is odd because the 7/16 and the 1/2 didn't seem to fit for me. But anyway, we will turn our light on, and here we are with our running light. I'll try to jiggle the camera a little bit more to show you high beam. There we are, high beam and daytime running light. Basically, you just kind of mount it up there. I ran the wires over the top, and it kind of bugs me because it's an eyesore. So I might drill an extra hole and run them underneath. Obviously, I have more clearance than is typical because I'm running 15-inch burly shocks on it. There's the rest of the bike. I'll do a bike video at some point in the future. But yeah, that's my review. Pretty simple to wire up. Red is high beam, orange is running, black obviously is ground. One more shot here of the brake from the rear. And yeah, very nice. Nice and bright. I would say this competes with some of the Denali lights, but the Denali lights I've seen are not this fancy and pretty and mountable. So that's it. Thanks for watching.